Psychology suggests that stupidity isn't defined by how educated someone is or how advanced their vocabulary sounds. It's rooted in patterns of thinking. A person can have degrees, resources, and endless access to information, yet still function with shallow cognitive habits that hold them back. First, absolute certainty. People stuck in low-level thinking rarely question themselves. They speak about complicated subjects with full confidence, even when their understanding is limited. Research shows that those with lower competence often lack the self-awareness to recognize their own blind spots. Intelligent individuals tend to doubt and reflect. Limited thinkers assume they're always correct. Second, rigid thinking. Evidence doesn't change their mind. They see changing opinions as a flaw rather than growth. Instead of adjusting their views, they cling to them, even when proven wrong. Psychology refers to this as cognitive rigidity. If your thinking doesn't evolve, neither do you. Third, oversimplification. Complex matters require depth and nuance. But shallow thinking reduces everything to easy phrases like, "It's obvious," or "That's just how it is." This black and white mindset strips away complexity. The result is a narrow view of the world, shaped by limited thinking. Fourth, constant blame. Responsibility is always external. It's the boss, the family, society, or the system, never themselves. Psychology connects habitual blame shifting with poor self-reflection and weak metacognition. Looking inward takes effort, and avoiding that effort keeps growth stagnant. Fifth, lack of curiosity. There's no desire to ask questions, explore, or sit with uncertainty. Discomfort in not knowing is avoided at all costs. But curiosity drives learning and intelligence. Without it, the mind becomes stuck, and that stagnation often resembles stupidity. In the end, stupid isn't just an insult, it's a repeated way of thinking. Overconfidence, inflexibility, oversimplifying, blaming others, and lacking curiosity. The positive side is that these patterns can be changed, but only if someone is willing to accept that they might be wrong. And that's the one step most resistant minds refuse to take.